All right, and we're going to start with something a little bit different, and we're going to be doing small graphic organizers. And the first one that we're going to do is on complex fractions, and I'll give you the graphic organizer that you can fill in also. There are 4 sections, so there'll be 4 parts to this thing. And we're looking at complex fractions, which is a fraction inside of a fraction. And so we're looking at this one here being a whole fraction over a whole number. And so we need to rewrite this. This is 4/5 divided by 10. So rewrite this and we get 4/5 divided by 10. And the first thing you want to do is be a magician and poof, make it a fraction by putting it over 1. All right, so you're going to rewrite the problem. So rewrite problem. And I expect this. Okay? And when you're working with fractions, I like to turn everything into fractions. And the next step is, when you are dividing by a fraction, you're actually doing the opposite, and you're going to do the opposite and get it into multiplying. So we're going to mark that something is changing, and we're going to flip the second fraction. So I call it flip and multiply the second fraction. So 4/5 times 1 over 10. And so you're just doing the reciprocal, and I call it flip and multiply. You can also say keep, change, and flip. However you want to do it, however it works for you is great. And so now we can either cross simplify here, or we can go back to just multiplying numerators again and circling and solve. 4 times 1 is 4, and 5 times 50 is 5 times 10 is 50. And now we must simplify this. And so we can take a 2 out of both, 2 over 2, and we can do that because that's really a 1. And so we get 2 out of 25. And we need to simplify it again or check it again. Does 2 go out of both numerator and denominator? No. Does 3? Nope. And 2 doesn't as the numerator, so your GCF is 1. You are done. So the first thing you need to do is rewrite the problem, and then reciprocal. Oops. Sorry, spelling. Sorry about this. Reciprocal, and I call it flip and multiply, and then you need to simplify. Thank you. Bye-bye.